To better understand the roles of HMI, SCADA, and DCS in industrial automation, let's use a car analogy. Imagine HMI, or human-machine interface, as the dashboard and controls a driver uses to interact with the vehicle, providing real-time feedback and allowing direct input. SCADA, which stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, is like a fleet management system, overseeing multiple vehicles from a central location, monitoring their status, and coordinating operations. DCS, or Distributed Control System, functions as the car's internal control system, automatically managing various components such as engine performance, braking, and climate control to ensure smooth operation. By comparing these systems to familiar aspects of driving and vehicle management, their distinct roles and interactions become much clearer. Human-machine interface, or HMI, refers to the graphical interface that allows operators to interact with machines and processes. Its primary purpose is to visualize data and provide control inputs, often within a single device or localized system. Supervisory control and data acquisition, known as SCADA, is a broader system designed to monitor and control industrial processes across multiple sites, often over large geographical areas. SCADA systems aggregate data from remote devices and enable centralized supervision. Distributed control systems, or DCS, are typically used for complex, continuous processes within a single facility, such as chemical plants or refineries. DCS architecture distributes control functions across multiple controllers, providing robust process management and redundancy. While HMI focuses on user interaction, SCADA emphasizes remote monitoring and control, and DCS specializes in integrated, plant-wide automation. Each system serves distinct roles, tailored to specific operational needs and environments. In a hierarchical automation system, HMI, SCADA, and DCS each play distinct but interconnected roles. At the base level, field devices such as sensors and actuators gather real-time data and execute control commands. The Distributed Control System, or DCS, manages these devices locally, ensuring precise process control and immediate response to changes. Above this, the Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition System, or SCADA, collects data from multiple DCS units, providing centralized monitoring and supervisory control across the facility. The Human-Machine Interface, or HMI, enables operators to interact with both SCADA and DCS systems, visualizing data and issuing commands through intuitive graphical displays. At the highest layer, enterprise integration connects these automation systems to business management platforms, facilitating data-driven decision-making and optimizing overall operations. This layered approach ensures efficient, reliable, and scalable control from the plant floor to the enterprise level. Human-machine interface, or HMI, is primarily used for visualizing and interacting with individual machines or processes. SCADA systems, which stand for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, are designed to monitor and control large-scale distributed operations, often across multiple sites. Distributed Control Systems, or DCS, excel in managing complex, continuous processes within a single facility, offering integrated control and automation. Choosing between these technologies depends on the scale and complexity of the application. HMIS suit localized control, SCADA is ideal for remote monitoring, and DCS is preferred for intricate process automation. Increasingly, organizations are adopting hybrid control systems that blend the strengths of HMI, SCADA, and DCS, providing greater flexibility and efficiency. This trend reflects the evolving needs of modern industries for integrated, scalable solutions.